Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to the Star and Delta channel. I am engineer Hossein Iqbal. Today is our topic is active, reactive and apparent power. Before we start this lecture, I must say that this video is especially for the beginners of electrical engineer. First of all, I would like to explain the basic definition of electric power. The electric power is the rate per unit time at which electrical energy is transferred by an electric circuit. The SI unit of power is watt, which is joules per second. Electric power is basically usually produced by electrical generators, but can also be supplied by sources such as electric batteries. It is usually supplied to businesses and homes. Electric power can be delivered over long distances by transmission lines and used for applications such as motion, light, heat with high efficiency. The next topic is the active power. What is the active power? The active power basically which is actually consumed or utilized in an AC circuit is also known as true power, active power, real power. It is measured in kilowatt, megawatt and gigawatt in industrial application or some electrical calculations. It is the actual outcomes of the electrical system which runs the electric circuits or load. The active power which lies in both circuits, AC and DC. In DC circuit, the phase difference tends to 0. That's why the cos factor value is equal to 1. P is equal to VI. In single phase AC circuit, the 90-degree angle exists. That's why the formula power is equal to product of voltage and current cos phi. On the other hand, in three phase line to line and phase voltages, we can describe in this form. Next topic is the reactive power. The reactive power is basically travel back and forth to the electrical system, and the reactive power is measured in kilovolt ampere reactive or megavolt ampere. I would like to describe one example regarding this reactive power. If I operate the 200 kilowatt motor, if I run the motor initially, the this reactive power opposes to the inductive field. This reaction basically is called the reactive power. The reactive power is basically denoted by the Q is equal to VI sin phi. The next topic is apparent power. Basically, product of root mean square value of voltage and current is known as apparent power. The apparent power, which is measured in kilovolt ampere and megavolt ampere. It has been seen that power is consumed only in resistance. A pure inductor and pure capacitor don't consume any power in a half cycle. Whatever power is received from the source by these components. Types of loads. Very interesting topic. I'm very excited to explain this loads. First of all, discuss the resistive load. Basically, resistive load contains the heating elements classified as resistive loads. These include incandescent line, toaster, oven, widely used iron in our homes. The resistive loads have no any phase difference between voltage and current. I just show you in graphical representation of resistance load in sine waves of voltage and current. In this graphical representation, have a look. The voltage and the current lie at the zero phase difference. That is the main difference. In inductive loads, the inductive loads that power electrical motors are inductive loads. These are found in a variety of household items and devices with moving parts, including fans, vacuum cleaner, dishwasher, compressors, air conditioner, refrigerators. The behavior of sine waves of inductive load, you can see the current is leading and the voltage is lagging. Capacitive load. Capacitive load, basically loads don't exist in a standalone format. To increase the power factor widely used the power factor panels in the industrial application to improve the power factor to save from the penalty. To improve the power factor, install the power banks to increase the power factor near to unity. But unity is in the ideal case. Their job is to supply the reactive power to the system. The graphical representation of the capacitive load, you can see the voltage tends to leading and the current is tends to lag. This is the main difference between the resistive loads. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button.